Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the channel The Maple Tadka. This is your chef Kush. Today we'll be making the chickpea curry with Lahori naan and salad. And in the dessert we have the roasted dalia. So let's see how the preparation. Okay, so guys, let's start the preparation. So these are the chickpeas over here that I soaked overnight. But if in case you forget to soak it overnight, you can use this one with the bake same like that, but I prefer to soak it overnight so they have the softness. And while boiling in this pressure cooker, I'll be using some salt to taste, and we have some garam masala. So this is called dalchini, also called as cinnamon in English, and this one is that is clove over here, that is black cardamom, and that's red chili dried. So let's start. First we'll add the chickpeas, and always remember to throw away the overnight soaked water from the chickpeas because it has a smell. So always use fresh water, and we'll use some salt. So 1 and 2 tablespoons, and it can be to taste. So let's add the dalchini. Okay, and this one over here, we'll just break the red chilies like this and put it over here. These ones we can use this, just press it like that just to get the aroma. Over here some cloves and black pepper like this. We'll put it on the side, and let's add some water. It will be done in like 3 whistles. So let's put it on the stove and turn on the stove, and we'll wait for like 15-20 minutes, and let's start the other preparation of the chuchu naan. In the meantime, it's boiling. So the preparation of Lahori naan. Over here I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and I have used 2 teaspoons of the yeast, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, salt to taste, and over here we have the coconut milk, and it's mixed with the hot water, or you can use it the lukewarm water as well, just to substitute with the dairy products because most of the people have allergies to the dairy product. And if in case we need some extra water, so over here I have the lukewarm water, and also you can add some sugar to taste over here if you like some sweetness in the naan. Milk with the lukewarm water, we'll just go slowly over here. And now I have to use my Okay guys, so I'm almost done with kneading the dough. As you can see over here, it's quite soft right now and fluffy. Now we'll add the gravy preparation over here. So I have 1 of the onions, 3 tomatoes, and 4 green chilies, and 1. The dough is very fluffy right now. As you can see, it's very soft. Now we'll start making small balls for the So we'll take a small size. We'll put some flour like this, and we'll knead it inside like this, and then make a round ball. Close it with your first finger and thumb, and then roll it. You see? Brush up them with some oil so that it doesn't get dry, and we'll rest them for like 20 to 25 minutes. So as we can see, the oil is heated up, so let's this garlic paste. The bake and the temperature will be 500 Fahrenheit. See, they're a little bit brown, not that much. So we'll just add some ginger garlic. So I'm using 2 tablespoons. Is over here, so we'll just add first of all salt, that is 1 tablespoon of turmeric, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and this is 1 teaspoon of kitchen grinded khade masale, and we can say like all the masalas that we added in the chickpeas, it's like the grinded paste. We will add chana masala, and we'll add 2 teaspoons of chana masala. Puri methi, chili, it's with the color to give it a good color, and it's edible. We'll mix it with some oil side, and then we'll add some tomato again. Go ahead and start our dessert preparation. So this is the roasted dalia that was soaked for like almost 2 hours. Now I'm going to boil it with the milk. The dalia. We'll be adding 150 ml of milk. So as you can see over here, our gravy is almost ready. Now we'll add the spices. Desi ghee, that is called clarified butter also. Kasuri methi. We are using some green cardamom for the dessert. So we'll add water. Okay, so let's add these chickpeas, chana. Go slow, very slow. We'll let them cook for like another 10 minutes on the medium flame. We'll close the lid also. Alright. Okay guys, so now we are going to prepare a lahori naan. As you can see, the doughs are very soft. We have some oil over here. This is some kasuri methi with some oregano. You can use garlic, anything you want. First floor just to roll it. And we'll be using this tray as we are using the oven. So we'll have one. There's 2 naans at once. Let's first brush up the. Take one of these and start pressing it like this. Then we'll put some and do it with the hand. Oregano flakes. Just put it like this. Press it once and then again press it so that these things stick to it. We'll take this one also and put it over here. Oil. Just to give it a crisp on the top. That's it. Let's do the chef work now. And bake it for 15 minutes. Okay, let's give it a see how they are doing, and as you can see, they are getting fluffy and baking up properly. We'll give it more 3 to 4 minutes, and then after 2 minutes of this, have a look at the gravy. The color, the texture. Now, the is also ready as well, as you can see. Let's give it another look, and as we can see, they are doing fine. As you can see, the color on the sides, that's the color we need. Now we will broil it for like one and a half or 2, just to give it a brown crisp on it. For like another 1 minute, and we'll take it out. We don't want them more. Press start. It's on now, so we'll wait for another minute and see you after that. Let's see how they are doing. As we can see over here, they are ready. As you can see, the color, the texture. Now we'll keep it on the. Okay, so we are done with everything. We're just preparing the salad now. A pinch of this one, some lemon juice, and a pinch of spicy shake. That's it. And we'll mix it. just to give it a tangy taste. Okay, so everything is ready. Let's start the preparation. So this is chana chickpea curry. Let's start on the plating. This is a garlic butter, garlic and basil leaves with the. As you can see, they are freshly baked properly. And this one is okay. Let's put some salad on this side. All the dishes are here. Chickpea curry with Lahori naan, salad and dessert. I hope you like it and you would love to make it following the recipe. Follow my page, subscribe me on YouTube. See you in another video. And bye bye, Shabaka, good night, take care.